my channel. Ngayon, magluluto ako ng chicken bun. First, we have the bread flour, egg, sugar, and the yeast. And I have the warm milk. I already mixed the warm milk with 1 teaspoon of dry yeast and let it rise for about 5 minutes. Ayan, transfer natin sa bigger pot. And we can add the sugar. This is about half cups of sugar. Mix the egg. Next, the butter. Yan, mimix po natin. Sprinkle a little bit of the flour here. And ininit po natin ito ng mga 10 minuto. And after 10 minutes, i-rest na natin ito within 1 hour. First, lalagyan muna natin ng oil sa taas. Yan. And then, lalagay natin dito. And we cover and wait until 1 hour. After 1 hour, ayan, nag-raise na ang ating dough. And then we start making the bun. We cut this into 3 portions. And let's start making the bun. If you like to put or add some cheese, and then you can add it. Next, popol na natin. Let it raise for almost 20 minutes and cover with cloth. And remember to heat up the oven 10 minutes before baking. bago natin i-bake, brush natin ng egg sa taas. And sprinkle some sesame seed on top of the bun. Yan, and i-bake natin ito ng 15 to 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, the chicken bun is already cooked. The bread is soft and fluffy. And that's inside, guys. And it's look yummy. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and likes for more videos. Thank you.